The Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has been on the run since the deadly raid on his residence by the Department of State Services, DSS. 2 persons were killed while 12 were arrested, reached to Abuja and later paraded by the secret police. They have been in detention since. On Friday, their lawyer Pelumi Olajengbesi brought an ex parte application before Justice Egwatu of the Federal High Court for the release of the detainees. He argued that since their arrest on the 2nd of July, they have been held incommunicado in an underground cell. Justice Egwatu subsequently ordered parties in the matter to appear before him unfailingly on July 29 to show cause to the court why Igboho's aides should not be admitted to bail conditionally or unconditionally. The applicants in the matter are Abdulateef Ofeyagbe, Amoda Babatunde, Tajuddin Erinoyen, Diakola Ademola, Abidin Shitu, Jamiu Noah, and Ayobami Donald. Others are Adelabe Usman, Oluwapelumi Kunle, Raji Kazim, Taiwo Okpeyemi, and Bamidele Sunday. The 2 respondents in the matter are the Director General, State Security Services, DSS, and State Security Service, SSS. Meanwhile, Igboho, who was arrested on Tuesday in Cotonou, Benin Republic, is awaiting extradition hearing that will determine whether he will be brought back to the country after he was declared wanted by the federal government.
Just tell us what happened to you.
Essentially, the applicants that were arrested by the respondent, which is the DSS, came to court through their lawyers to seek the refuge of the court. Came to court to seek the refuge of the court, the protection of the court. Our law is such that, particularly Section 32, Sub 1 and 2 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act of Nigeria 2015 has clearly stated that has clothed the court with the powers and the jurisdiction to compel any security agency or any state agency that is holding anybody unlawfully to produce the person. And that is the section, that is the law that we have invoked in the court today. And in respect for this constitution, the court found merit in our application, and the court has compelled the DSS to produce the applicant to the court in the next adjourned date. This is very important because, you see, we must not encourage people who are given powers to work on behalf of the state to abuse the power. The applicants were arrested in a Gestapo manner, and they've been kept incommunicado for almost 20 days. As a matter of fact, we've written to the DSS on several occasions, we've visited their facility, but they've denied the applicants the opportunity to meet with their lawyers. They've denied the applicants the opportunity to meet with their family. But today we are glad that the court has found merit in this application. So we can only thank God and thank the court for its industry and for understanding that the judiciary is the last hope of the common man. Thank you.